One by One starts Friday, May 7th at the Seminole 2 Seminole, 5th Avenue Cinema, St. Petersburg, Clearwater 4 Clearwater, Horizon Park 4, Britain, and University Square Cinema in Tampa.
Rain moved into the Bay Area again today. It certainly wasn't too welcome, but conditions across the rest of the country weren't a heck of a lot better. Tornadoes broke out in northern Alabama. We'll have details on that in just a moment. Conditions were rather warm across west central Florida, and among the warmest in the nation reported right here in the Bay Area. Tampa reported 87 degrees. It was 1 degree warmer up in Newport Richey with 88. Over in Lakeland, they reached 89 degrees, just 1 degree behind Naples. They reported a 90. That was the second warmest in the nation. That distinction went to Presidio out in Texas. Currently outside our studios in downtown Tampa, conditions aren't really too bad. We're seeing a high temperature of 78 degrees. Most of the rain appears to be out of the way. Humidity 69%. Winds out of the south 4 miles per hour. Barometer 1,400 inches and rising, and partly cloudy skies. A look at the National Weather Service radar shows the extent of the showers at this hour. Not too much appearing over the Gulf of Mexico, but scanning to the north up around Gainesville, Ocala, Lake George, a few large showers. The heaviest appear to be in the vicinity of Lakeland, and these are all moving to the north at a speed of about 14 miles per hour. The marine outlook, still a bit on the breezy side. Expect winds out of the southeast about 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 feet near shore, about 6 feet well offshore. A total of 4 tides at the Gandy Bridge, sunrise 6:46, sunset 8:08, and that Gulf water temperature hasn't changed a bit. It's still a pleasant and mild 75 degrees. Well, as I mentioned, conditions aren't particularly good elsewhere across the country. In northern Alabama, 3 tornadoes were reported today. A total of 15 mobile homes were overturned just to the north of Birmingham, Alabama, and this is a response to a very fast-moving cold front you can see on our map this evening. Very intense low-pressure cell located right up around Lansing, Michigan, extending toward the southwest with this front. This is moving rapidly to the east. We're going to have to keep a very close eye on this particular system. It's generating quite a bit in the way of very heavy showers in advance along with this squall line. A number of locations reporting rainfall amounts of around an inch up to 2 inches in some locations. The showers developed across south central Florida earlier today, and we'll see that after a bit. Farther to the north, quite a bit in the way of light rain continues all the way up across northern Vermont, extending into New York, and conditions are just generally pretty miserable across much of the nation. Bitterly cold readings prevailed across the northern border states. A number of locations dropped all the way down into the teens this morning, and out in Nevada, believe it or not, still some snow occurring in the higher elevations. Take a look at that satellite loop this evening. As you can see, quite a bit in the way of very heavy cloud cover in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. This system moved onshore earlier this morning, brought about a very abrupt end to the sunshine we've been enjoying for the past couple of days. And as you can see, as we move in a little closer shot, all that sunshine's gone. The cloudiness is going to be with us for another couple of days. High temperatures around the country this afternoon. It only got to 40 degrees north of that front in the windy city of Chicago, and 43 degrees in Lansing, Michigan. Nation's capital, though, quite a contrast to the south of the front. They managed to get to 83 degrees. It was 79 for a high temperature in New York City. Boston reported 83 degrees. It'll be considerably cooler there tomorrow. Our forecast of the local area for tomorrow, calling for continuation, that increasing cloudiness, and a few showers. Overnight low 69 degrees, the high 86, the low the following night 70. The rain probability stays right at 30%. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the outlook for the next few days, the weekend, unfortunately, a few showers coming in, much as we need them. We don't like to see them on a weekend. Monday clearing, Tuesday mild, and Wednesday back to that sunshine. In a moment, John Manelli, more late news.